Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are cracking this trending puzzle. A unique, double-locked math logic grid that has been absolutely breaking brains across the internet. Let's find out how it works. Here is the matrix. Take a close look at the numbers. Can you determine the hidden rule? Your 60 seconds start right now to find the missing number. Remember, you must solve it both horizontally and vertically to absolutely confirm it. Let's kick things off with our row 1 evaluation. The first gap between 7 and 3 is 4. Moving across, the second gap between 12 and 7 is 5. Notice that the gap size increases sequentially by exactly 1. Now for row 2 verification. The first gap between 11 and 5 is 6. The next gap between 18 and 11 is 7. Perfect. The rule holds strong. The difference increments by 1 as we move to the right. Let's lock in this row-wise logic. Across every single horizontal row vector, the consecutive differences increment by exactly 1 sequentially. It's a clean, predictable, mathematical progression. Time for the row 3 resolution. The first gap between 16 and 8 is 8. Following our established row logic, the next target gap must increase by 1, making it 9. 16 plus 9 gives us 25, but let's not celebrate just yet. To truly double lock our answer, we have to look vertically. Column 1, verification. 5 minus 3 gives us a column gap of 2, and 8 minus 5 gives us 3. Yes, the vertical pattern matches perfectly, increasing by 1. Moving to the center. Column 2, verification. 11 minus 7 is 4, and 16 minus 11 is 5. Absolutely flawless. The gap size grows by 1 once again, straight down the grid. Here is our column-wise logic matrix. Just like the rows, the vertical differences increment by exactly 1 sequentially down each column vector. This is a beautifully synchronized, dual-layered system. Finally, column 3, resolution. The gap between 18 and 12 is 6. Following our strict vertical rule, the next target column gap must be exactly 7. 18 plus 7 brings us right back to 25. Behold, the mathematical convergence proof. Our horizontal row equation gives us 25, and our vertical column equation gives us 25. Two completely independent paths, one identical, undeniable solution. The confirmed answer is 25. Did you solve it using this exact method, or did you spot a unique pathway? Drop your comments and solutions down below. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe to Core Math Academy for more brain tests. See you next time.